Right. Distract everyone.
Always.
Mama said, I wish I could freeze this moment, just never let it end. Walking through the snow when you're taking my hand.
Morning everyone. It is Wednesday, it's day 2. It's 5 to 7 in the morning and this is our view over the Seven Seas Lagoon. Another beautiful day ahead, gorgeous sunrise, and we are off for some adventures in Hollywood Studios. I think I said when we were closing out yesterday that we're going to try and get Rise of the Resistance today, as well as some other stuff. We'll try and get Slinky in, we'll try and get Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway in there as well. So we haven't done Mickey and Minnie's, we haven't done Rise of the Resistance yet, so really looking forward to this one. Hollywood Studios is my favourite, so I'm super excited to get back. So we're going to continue trying out Das Pass. It was pretty successful yesterday, really helped us out because Fred does struggle in the heat. We've also got Genie Plus as a backup as well, so we'll try and use that to the best of our ability, show you how we're using it and how effective it is getting us on rides. But come along with us, let's see what we'll get up to. See you in a bit.
Hi.
King of the bus?
Not really, it's fun. Oh, it will be. We're just at the back where you want me on.
Okay.
Morning.
Well, here. Hollywood.
Another beautiful day.
What I look forward to the most?
Right now,
Yeah.
honestly.
Yeah.
Me Woody's lunchbox, potato breakfast bowl. I've been dreaming about that.
Somebody's
breakfast bowl.
hungry.
I'm not even hungry. Well, we're hungry, but I've just been like planning to eat that forever.
Oh, you have actually, haven't you?
Yeah. I was like, we're eating breakfast here. I say we, me and Hallie eat one of Joffrey's for a donut.
Yes, massive donut. I'm not calling Charlotte, that's what I want to eat.
I think I'm turning into one already on day 2. After eating at Cheesecake Factory last night, you didn't show them the cheesecake. We'll have to put a photo in. We haven't eaten it, like, it's in the fridge. I'm collecting snacks. I've got a...
Yeah, there's a thing. That's what we're going to do this holiday, is collect snacks in our fridge.
Well, I know what you better not put that sugar cookie in the fridge. I told you it'll go rock hard.
We'll have a museum for Disney snacks.
No, it's got the lunch is there to eat. We don't eat like loads of snacks at home, but like Disney snacks everyone knows from there. Hallie polished up a cookie sandwich last night, didn't you? She loves it, she's ready for a next one. Freya had something she had in 2019. It's like, what are those things you had last night, Freya?
Dibs, that's what they were called.
Dibs. What were they like? Chocolate things?
Aye, they like small tiny bits of, like, you know, the Nestle Crunch Bar.
Yeah.
It's like that on the outside, but ice cream on the inside.
All I can hear is crunchy on the outside, soft in the middle.
Armadillo!
That's all I can find there. Yeah. So, but I am looking forward. This is our favourite part.
This is the way.
This is the way. Hey, the sign says this.
This is the way.
Oh, and can we just have a moment?
Thank you.
Can we just really highlight the point, and I made this a lot of times to film when I was planning, because we've got an Orcas reservation today, so I said we're all going to wear Star Wars, and Phil's just put another t-shirt on.
Whoops.
Yes, it's for the park, but we're all wearing Star Wars. Didn't realise till we're walking to the bus and I looked at what he's wearing and I'm like, where's your Star Wars t-shirt? He's got 2.
There's always one, people.
He's got more
There's
than that,
always
fair,
one.
he's packed 2.
There's always one, and it's me. I am the one. Not in a good way though. Right, we're getting through security and all the rest of it, so we'll see you on the other side.
When I see something, why do you always get the camera out? I've just seen the Mickey 50th popcorn bucket, so I don't know where to get that one or the Halloween one now. Look at him.
Oh, hang on.
It's Mickey in his 50th outfit. On the top. Oh, there's a woman in there.
I don't know why anyone can say that.
I put a woman, I'll think you're filming her. Come on.
Just stuck the camera down the throat of like some woman who's like setting the popcorn stall up. Love it. Anyway, what I was saying was, before you rudely interrupted.
I never do that though.
Honestly.
You just start when you're not supposed to.
Do you not know the rules of vlogging?
Do you?
No.
Obey your
I was just asking whether you do. Yeah, we've got a rise for 8:39. We're going to try and get on Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. There's very little in the way of the queue at the moment. So, let's see how we get on. We've just done Mickey and Minnie's. I really enjoyed that. It's really immersive, no spoilers though, there's no footage or anything. We just enjoyed it. You enjoyed it, Edge? Yeah?
What's your favourite bit, Hal?
Can't say favourite bits, that's spoilers. Hey, catch up. Let's catch up, Barton. Here's the rest of the family. Everyone's getting sick of looking at me.
Why would that be, eh?
Yeah, no.
No idea.
How do you find that?
Alright, apart from I seem to be having watery eyes this holiday, like seriously watery eyes, like I'm carrying a tissue now and I'm constantly dabbing my eyes.
Not just bawling it because you've seen the castle for the first time.
I've cried a few times.
Genuine
yeah.
watery eyes.
Like I've just come off that ride and to the point where there was water down my neck, it was just pouring. It just won't stop watering.
It was really good though, wasn't it?
Oh, it was really good.
Loads of fun.
Loads of people have seen it. I mean, you're not filming it, but there is a bit with Daisy. And she's, is it conga or samba or something?
Let's all do the conga. Yeah, that was good. So, guess where we are now?
Probably here.
Hey partners, if you see Slinky Dog, tell him Woody says howdy.
We will. Ah, that's where the new restaurant's going to be. Ah, I love this land. So we're in Toy Story Mania, yeah?
Yeah, we're going 5
It's
minute way.
5 minutes standby. Oh, we've got to play guess what type of cart it is.
Ham.
Right. Mum's gone for ham. I'm going Rex. Frailil. Hallie said Jessie. Who? Ham.
I said ham.
Okay. Oh, I got it right the first time. I thought I got it right.
Alright, 2 hams, a Jessie and a Rex.
What? Yeah.
Play along at home. Which cart are we going to get into? This is still by far one of the best.
That's alright.
The best ride entrances and queues.
Eh?
It's one of the best entrances and queues, isn't it?
Oh, I've never done the passage one as well.
Yeah, pending obviously flight of passage. Flight of passage? Not flight of passage. Rise of the Resistance, man, you donut.
No, we also have
Oh yeah. We haven't done flight of passage standby queue either, have we? I retract my comment about calling you a donut. Only temporarily though. Oh gosh. Bobbing and waving around everywhere, eh?
You might win it, yeah. I can't see.
Oh, so you're saying the only reason I'll win is because you can't see? Hey, potato head.
Eyes are stinking.
What are we gonna get?
Hopefully ham for me and Freya. We got Bo Peep.
Bo Peep. If you said Bo Peep, you're a winner.
You know, because I thought we were getting onto another screen. Oh, you're messing me up.
I win. You lose. I
I thought we
win.
were moving on to another screen and I stopped playing. I was ahead. You were ahead, and then I took over, and then I stopped. I was like, so I missed at least a couple of thousand there. So
Never mind about the score. You look so attractive in 3D glasses.
you don't.
What were you doing? How did you get on anyway?
Good.
What score did you get? You don't know?
You got 138. Oh, I don't know. I got 138.
138, good score.
That was not.
Oh, smells of strawberries in here. There is a plant in my boot.
$24.99. It's quite heavy. I like that. So that would like a plant.
Ah,
She
it
likes
smells
a
of
killer
strawberries in the shop. It's so nice.
She's obsessed. Here we go. The obsession continues. Is it dishwasher proof? That's all Mum ever wants to know. Oh, it is. $24.99, and you get the spoon. It never gets used if it's not. You can't go in the dishwasher. How much do you think that would cost? Place your bets. How much do you think it is?
I'm gonna say 1995.
Cooling towel. Hey? Thought she said 92.95, was it?
How much? Suspense.
$16.90. Because they're a bit on.
Get yourself a bucket of soldiers. How much is a bucket of soldiers?
What are you going to do with a bucket of salt?
$20.
Play with them. You like that mug, do you? We can't carry a mug around all these chicks.
Space Ranger. How much is that? $27.99.
Not good for the suitcase, but how cute is it? It's a weighted plush.
Oh, does it smell strawberry?
I don't know.
You don't know?
The room smells of strawberry.
The room does, yeah.
$29.99. Harry, what do you think of him?
There's the socks. Plush. Wow, there's a whole rec stand over there as well.
You could get a big Buzz Lightyear, or you could get a Buzz Lightyear playfish.
Look, Bo Peep. Lounge fly. Ah, right.
Yeah, not my bag.
Not your bag. Ah, hilarious. $85 if it is your bag. Is this going to be like 2019 where you just follow me around with a plush?
Can I just tell you something? Listen.
Is that the plush for the holiday, like, is it? Oh, okay. Right, we're on our way now, aren't we? To Rise.
First time.
Did Toy Story Main, yeah. Really good. I've got the bragging rights for now.
I think it would have been a lot closer. Oh, have you seen the first squirrel of the day?
Squirrels in Batu. Oh, they are as well. Squirrels in Batu.
Oh, look at that. Walking into Batu now. East.
Batu East.
Can we just talk about my t-shirt, please?
I don't know.
Does it say? Can I say upside down?
Endor Forest Summer Camp.
Established 83.
Everyone's rocking Star Wars.
Return of the Jedi came out in 82 and that's when I was born. Shouldn't have said that.
Yeah, so we're going to head through Galaxy's Edge and get on Rise.
Oh, it's right. Oh, so we still have it.
Feels like I've been waiting about 3 lifetimes to get on this ride.
I know.
I'm looking forward to it. Everything crossed, it's not broken down.
I know.
It's got a bit of a rep. But it's quite quiet so far, isn't it?
It is. I think it was busier in Toy Story Land, but it always is.
And that's only day 2, but I think what I said to you earlier, didn't I? You tend to turbo your rides like right at the start of the day before it gets way too busy. If you can get your lightning lanes and we're lucky enough to get a couple of dash passes as well working for you, then you turbo it before it gets too busy. So we've been lucky so far anyway.
We have. It's been an awesome one.
Yeah.
So far. Have you had any breakfast? On my second cup of coffee?
I know. Right, we're off ski. See when we get off of Rise of the Resistance. We're in August. Been vlog for ages.
Excuse my appearance. The reason why I'm vlog for very long is because my eyes have gone fully. That's the problem. Get me out the shop and I've got to see me bags.
Managed to get sat down because it stood us up to start with, but it's all good for Floridian. So they were really good. Took us outside, waited 5 minutes and got straight back in. So it's all good. So we've ordered and we're waiting for them, so we're showing the drinks when they arrive.
I've already got that one. So I'm excited.
What you got, Hal? Hyperdrive. It's good. Milk. Carbon free. That is popping away. Cheesecake Cliff Cola. And fuzzy Tom Tom with the numbing foam on the top.
I'm not rushing it, I think they're rushing it.
Well, we rented a car. Yeah. We rented a car this time really through the market.
garden.
Right. Distract everyone.
Oh, we are. Customs. It's amazing though, isn't it? He looked lovely in our garden.
Are we just getting everything that falls?
No.
Focus.
You bought that. What's got nothing to do with me? You picked it. But I love him. And the fella does some things more intricate than that, doesn't he? So
I want one of those like grills that's made out of an R2 unit.
you're joking? The Mr. Man who'll never barbecue.
I don't like doing barbecues, but I know a man who does. I'll get him one of them.
What's his name?
Don't know. You always give him some like old guys there.
Al.
No.
Pete the Paw?
We've already got Pete the platypus.
No, we can't have Pete.
We've already got Pete the platypus at Floridian.
Jeff.
I said Al.
Al the Porg.
Al the Paul.
And he's a toddler Pog, apparently it says on the label.
Hello, Al the toddler Porg.
He's a baby. He's just a little baby. And he talks. Bring him closer. He sounds just like me doing my Pog impression. Listen. I don't sound like that.
So we've adopted a Porg. Excellent.
We adopted two. One in cocktail form. That sounds really right. I didn't blend a Pog. No hot Pogs were hurting the making of this. I bought.
Oh, Chewy.
Oh look, show me your Pog. Hi Chewy.
Chewy.
He likes the little Pog. Keep away from him. You have to watch it because Wookiees eat Pog.
Are you hot?
I want to go on Slinky.
Okay. Slingy.
I want to go on Slinky.
I mean, I do too.
I want to go on Slingy.
But like,
I want to go on Slingy. Right, come on. We need to get an extra.
I don't know if I like this or it's just making me look.
Do we need to get an extra Disney park pass or something for Al? Or does he travel free?
No, he's a toddler and under two's getting the park for free.
Oh,
That's
fair enough. He can stay then. I'm not going to pay for him. You still bad enough.
Come on then.
Permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y vigilen a sus pequeños.
Well, hello there. We are on our way out of Hollywood Studios. It is hot. It came down, the rain came down, and we ran to our lightning lane for what? Is that a lightning lane? Yeah, it is a lightning lane. Lightning lane for Smuggler's Run. So I'm getting confused between calling it a Genie Plus and calling it lightning lane. Pass. Alright then. Now, so we're coming out. We are sweating. We still haven't been to a Walmart, so we haven't got much in the way of provisions for the room, and bits that we said we'd get when we got there, and we haven't got it. It's our second day, so we're feeling that. So we're going to get out now while it's hot, and we've done loads, which will probably go over later on. Frey bought Al the Pog. He's now our favourite little pet. She loves bringing home a pet. And we're going to go and we'll probably get the usual sugar cookies, copious amounts of Lay's crisps, got the Skyliner going up above my head. Still haven't been on that, but we're going to get out. I am, however, trying to persuade Phil to buy a Epcot Ball Spaceship Herb cookie jar. It's huge, it's heavy, it's breakable, it's not practical, but I don't care. Oh, and we're going the wrong way at the bus stop. So I'm hoping he gives in. We've had a really good day though so far. Not sure what we're going to do tonight, whether we're going to go to another park or go somewhere to tea somewhere. One of them days where we just thought we'd see how we feel. And I didn't know how long we'd be in the park with us being jet lagged and so forth. But it's been really fun, really fun. And we've been on two rides that we've never been on before, and Rise of the Resistance was amazing. when it dropped and the kids loved it, I thought I might be in with a chance here, because at this moment in time, unless I can adopt a friend to take me on Tower of Terror, I'm not going to get on, because I can do single rider, I know, but I'm scared. I've done it twice, years and years ago, but I just want to give it a thrill. On a thrill ride, I like them all, and thrill rides. They will go on rock and roller coaster, but we didn't go on that today because it's been down all day, so I don't know what that's all about. I love the Disney buses. Gotcha! But we'll get ourselves away and I'll probably check in with you later. I don't know if I'll get footage in Walmart, because I am one of them awkward vloggers who, even though I'm doing this at the minute and there's people around, not many people, I don't know how I feel in Walmart. So we'll see you in a minute.
Place, we thank you. It's been grand to have you. For 50 years, you have trusted us with your dreams, and tonight, we hope you feel them twinkling in your eyes, enduring like the sparkle of Disney's electrical water pageant. From all of us to all of you here at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, we bid you good night, and hope you wake tomorrow to find your dreams are even brighter in the light of a new day.
Try to leave, you still make me wanna stay. You ask me to believe in the words that you say, but I can't be strong if you can't move on. Don't you think we've had enough of the trauma you bring? Ain't you tired of thinking we can get through anything? 'Cause I can't move on if you can't be strong. But
morning, I'm doing what we're getting quite famous for this trip, just rounding up yesterday, but it's obviously the following day. Charlotte's with us, but she's not vlog ready just yet.
I'm rough as toast. Sat here in my 90s sweating on the balcony.
So we had such a fun-packed day yesterday. Honestly, we had loads to do.
We never get there on rope dropping.
But we started with every intention of rope dropping, but we got there just after 8. So we got there for the early entry, and we managed to get on. As he looks at his list, we went straight to Mickey and Minnie's.
That was a walk on.
That was a walk on. Straight out of there down to Toy Story Mania. Walked on that. We got ourselves a Rise of the Resistance using the DAS Pass, which I have to say is out of this world.
The drop's the best bit. I'm not, no spoilers, everyone's saying that, but the drop's the best bit. We hadn't told the kids that bit, had we, when we were watching it, because they'd hate Tower of Terror. But after that, I thought, hey, they might like that, they might do Tower of Terror. Nah. Still won't do it. Oh, so I need a friend to go on, because I daren't do single rider on my own. Oh.
But anyway, Rise. Then we got some breakfast. So Charlotte has been craving the, it's in Woody's lunchbox.
It's like a breakfast bowl.
Breakfast bowl with the tater tots and stuff like that. You'll have seen
it's got
before.
Brisket, gravy and scrambled eggs.
Yeah.
And you know you don't like onions and you were mourning that they might have scallions. I didn't see a scallion, so you'd have been alright.
Oh, that's alright.
And I got the kids one, which was the decent size, but you get 2 sides with it and a drink. So I got an orange juice and I got double potato tots, and the kids love them as well. So that was quite a sizable thing. I know it's not a big portion, but
yeah.
I think when you get the tots and you get like an orange juice as well, it's a decent size. So 10 out of 10 from me.
Cool. Good review.
Oh, and Hallie got the new Pop-Tart, the banana peanut butter and
Banana peanut butter fudge.
Yeah, she liked that. It was nice. I had a little bit of it as well.
Like a big Pop-Tart. Right. Me and Freya went to the Joffrey stand, and
slowest moving queue in the world.
Ah man, the queue was horrendous there.
Wasn't long.
Yeah, we've watched loads of vlogs and it never really seemed that bad. It was bad yesterday anyway, but never mind. Onwards and upwards. So we got a big pink iced donut and a couple of iced coffees, so that was great. That sorted us out. So I finished breakfast, then went to Star Tours. Did Star Tours, got a new Star Tours.
It was amazing.
It was the Wookiee planet.
Yeah, it was good.
Aye, so it looks like this could be old news to a lot of people, but like we were thinking, are we going back to Jakku?
That's all the place we ever go. We're not going back to Jakku.
Not going back to Jakku.
That's what I always say that, because that's all we ever get.
But we didn't. So that was good. Did that. By the way, can I just big up my wife, by the way, because all the time this was going on, she had the worst eyes yesterday. Something just happened. We don't know whether it was like a new spray that she's using or something like that. We haven't figured it out really yet, but yesterday morning Charlotte spent probably the first 3 or 4 hours of the day with her eyes just streaming, like uncontrollably streaming.
Down my neck.
Yeah, water down her neck. And bless her.
We nearly packed in, because there was one point I didn't want to cry because all I was doing was watering from my eyes. But we stood outside of Olga's, weren't we?
Yeah.
And because we waited so long and it's our favourite park and I didn't want it to spoil it, I was soldiering on, but I was just a bit like, ooh.
I know.
You had to give us a hug, didn't you?
It was so bad, and I just thought, this has got pharmacy written all over it, this like, but look how she soldiered on, in fairness to it, and it started easing off, didn't it, after a few hours?
After about 2 or 3 hours, but I don't know if it's because something was in my eye.
Probably just ran down your face.
Eventually, it took its time, but I was so thankful, but bless you, thank you.
Aye. So, good segue into Olga's anyway. So, from Star Tours, we came out of Star Tours, it was 11:15, we looked at each other, we're like, what time's our Olga's canteen? 10:45, like, Then we got that, and we had a pass for Slinky. So I saw some grey clouds at that point, and I said, right, I think we better go now. So we could have used Slinky at any point throughout the day, but we went, and I'm glad we did, because we got on. They made an announcement just as we were getting towards the front about the inclement weather, and we got on, and I think about 3 or 4 minutes after we got off Slinky, the rain started coming, didn't it?
And we had to run. It dripped, and then it went whoosh.
Yeah.
And we're like, oh!
So we had a smuggler's run straight after Slinky, so we literally legged it from Slinky down back into Batu, got onto Smuggler's Run just before it started, well, just as it started raining. Came back, chilled at the room, and then we went to Walmart. So spent an hour and a half in Walmart, just looking around, picking up bits and pieces, snacks, crisps, sugar cookies, just stuff, water, bit of booze for the adults in the room, but just general stuff that we can put in the rucksacks and take to the park.
Not the booze, by the way.
Not the booze.
Jeez,
hey, that's an idea.
No.
No, move on.